Hi, my name is Rachelle. I am a trainer for APC in Victoria. My background, I studied with APC in 2020, moved into the non-emergency field, working as an event medic as well, and then now I am back at APC as a trainer. I completed my Diploma of Paramedical Science with APC in 2020. I found them online and thought that it was a great opportunity for me to study while being a mum and working full-time. I enjoyed it a lot. I thought that it really fit in with my lifestyle and my children's needs and everything like that. I was well supported throughout the program, and that's why I'm back here to support students. I also work as an event medic for a private medical company in Victoria. I've worked my way up from first responder to first aid commander for major events across Victoria. We do a lot of music festivals and the MCG and everything in between. I feel like that experience helps me as a trainer because I understand the things that they're going to see, the requirements of the job, and the potential exposure that they're going to have, and things that they might need on road, things that they might not need on road, and ways that they can manage as well. I feel like as a trainer I do take on more of a mum role. I definitely like to mentor my students and kind of coddle them throughout the workshops, get them to the end and see such a difference in them from Monday to Friday in all of their experiences and everything like that. My advice would be don't give up. It will get hard, but it will get so much easier and it's so worth it in the end. I've had so many rewarding experiences from APC and into my career, and I'm very grateful for that. So get a good study program happening and you'll be fine.